Hey, it's Chime Time, and we are back after another Hoontron hiatus of just car videos. And today we are going to be reviewing S'mores Chai by David's Tea. That's the brand. So, I mean, it's just really, really great. I think David's Tea might be like a French brand, you know? This is Puree Tea, the Puree. No idea. Sounds French. Anyway, these boxes are 15 in a pack. The description I will read after I start to dunk because the stuff is hot and needs to be dunked or steeped, as they say. So, camera's on this side. That's what it looks like. Got some white chunks in there, black chunks, beige chunks, and brown chunks. And it smells heavenly. It smells like cinnamon. I think that's what the brown chunks are, you know. But this is how you steep. And I got my mug, which I'll hold the other way because it's actually from Voodoo Donut. Not that I get any money from advertising, but I am a fan. I got this mug in the Colorado location, and my brother went to the Washington location and was very, very excited about it, so much so that he turned me onto it, and I actually bought this mug. And so many donuts, which, by the way, I have to upload that episode that I filmed back in December. But anyway, so I have to steep it on both sides because I'll show you. Wow. The inside of the mug has like a donut hole that goes through in an hourglass shape. So you kind of want to steep on both sides. But I lost the tea bag. I just dropped it in. But anyway, it says Voodoo Donut, and the text is in bacon font because they put bacon in their donuts. Really good for breakfast, even though it's a bit sugary. And I guess their theme is the magic is in the hole. They have this, that's their mascot, I guess. They have another mascot that is an actual donut. The actual Voodoo Donut, which is in the shape of, it's a donut in the shape of a voodoo doll. Seriously, they have locations around the country now. I believe they're from the West. But it also says the magic is in the hole. And you can see it. Let me get my eye lined up. Yeah, kind of. Yeah, I can't really see it. But the aroma is really good. And that's half the fun with tea. It's not just drinking it. It's smelling it. Clear up the nasal passages. This one doesn't clear it up too much. And yeah, I like to have my water piping hot. Okay, so here's the description. Gooey toasted, it's called Gimme S'more. Oh, well, it just says Gimme S'more. Gooey toasted marshmallows, graham cracker, dark chocolate. It's no wonder we live for s'mores. This tempting puree adds an extra dash of cinnamon to Campfire Classic. I think cinnamon is in graham crackers, but I think they might have, because there are regular graham crackers and then cinnamon graham crackers, so I guess they just added cinnamon. And in a tea, like, you gotta have as much flavor as you can, otherwise it's just gonna be water. It's 5 calories per serving. There's 15 calories per container because there's 15 sachets, and it's in like a silk tea bag. You don't want like that bleached white paper. That's terrible for you. I'm pretty sure bleach is the same stuff that's in Tide Pods or something. Like, why would you want that mixed in your tea or in your paper? You don't need paper. Why would you put it in your steeped water? That's disgusting. I mean, usually I use the little metal reusable tea pouches. but these cost a little bit more than what's considered loose leaf tea, which you could either steep in a teapot, which I really want to buy, or those little balls. David's Tea, we love tea. Our blends are obsessively crafted from the finest full leaf tea and whole ingredients, and they're like nothing you've ever tasted. Welcome to the world's best tea party. And I gotta say that they do have really good deals on their online website, and I don't remember if I had to pay for shipping. I think most of these sites are free shipping with a certain amount, but it's good to get from their website. I don't know if they do Amazon or not, but they have like a reward system, and I got 2 ounces of free tea, and of course I picked the most expensive green tea I could because I love green tea. I wanted sencha, but I got the Yamamoto blend or something like that. I don't even know. The Nobunaga blend. It was like way over the top, I'm excited for that tea. Now I have some matcha. I'm overstocked in tea, but I need some stuff that's caffeine free. Unfortunately, this tea has caffeine, so it's a little bit after 12 noon on a Sunday, but I'm going to be up late a little bit, Skyping with my friends. I mean, not really Skyping. Who uses Skype? But it's kind of like, the BlackBerry complex. They were the first smartphone or something, so sometimes you call it BlackBerry. Maybe I'll just show my age. My hair is getting so long, my quarantine hair. It's beautiful, though. I have locks of love soon. Anyway, I think this is steeped for long enough. And let's sip. Definitely the cinnamon notes above everything else. But it's got like a nice dessert kind of hot chocolatey vibe. Not too milky, it's water. Watered down hot chocolate. Not too sugary, maybe this does have sugar in it. 0 sodium. 1 gram of added sugars. So it does have sugar. I mean, you're not exactly tasting an actual graham cracker, and that probably has a ton of sugar in it, but it's got like a hint, It's like hint of s'mores tea. Hint of s'mores. Would I be buying this one again? No, not really. They have a blend called Chocolate and More that I'd want to buy. It's about like $5 an ounce, so $2. 2 ounces would be about $10 American. It's a bit expensive. I'd like to go to their location to sample it, but the locations are closed because of the quarantine, and that's why these reviews are so helpful. I cannot get Voodoo Donuts. I don't even know if you can get it online. They used to make beer, which I was ecstatic about. My brother was obsessed. I used to buy it for him for Christmas and his birthday. Incredible stocking stuffer. Yeah, so ingredients: puree tea, brittle pieces of sugar, hazelnut invert sugar, cinnamon sugar, marshmallow sugar, corn syrup, modified cornstarch, gelatin, sodium, bunch of words I don't even understand. Cocoa liqueur, cocoa butter, natural and artificial flavoring, contains hazelnuts. Okay, so this might not be good for you, but David's Tea has plenty of organic loose leaf teas and tea bags, whether they're caffeine free or like an herbal blend, or they have just tea leaves by themselves. And I don't know if they mix and match, kind of like other tea brands of the past, whatever the Starbucks brand was. I don't even remember. This is, Teavana. This is like the Teavana replacement. 100%. And this was better than Teavana ever was. David's Tea. For real. And it's so fresh. Like I'm surprised. Like usually I'm really biased about my matcha. Like I won't buy it from just anywhere, but yeah, that's it. Anyway, so I'm Chime Time. This is Cooking Avenue. Live to love. Chime Time.